I have always wanted to try this. Copy paste Latina makeup because I am half Mexican, half Filipino. And honestly, I was just curious. How would I look? So actually, I'm gonna wipe off makeup from today. I did like a no makeup look situation. Went to the mall earlier and I got a bunch of stuff for this. Go in with these. I don't know. Well, okay. I got these 3 at Dollar Tree. Lashes, eyelash glue, and then lash extension applicator because I don't do this. Never have I done this type of makeup, so why would I have the stuff? Well, now I do because I'm trying this out. Water activated lash band. What does that even mean? No adhesive needed. Dip and apply. This is why you read your labels. I did not have to buy glue, bro. You know what? Whatever. Okay. An eyebrow pencil. Setting brows. These are from the brand Creations. A lip liner by Italia Deluxe in the shade Brown. I got a nude lipstick. I can't open it. I'm struggling. By Creations, and this is in the shade Miss Perfect. This makeup will not be. It's a heart. I think it's really cute. That's really cute. And it's gonna get destroyed, so cute while it lasts, but not for any longer. Dip liner, mascara, and lip liner by Romantic Beauty. Oh, and I got this thing. I just dropped it everywhere. Well, now my desk is gonna be glittery for the end of time. I got this body glitter thing. Look. Wow. Wow. I got glitter for no reason. Step 1. I'm assuming brows because... Okay, I'm looking at a tutorial because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm saying I'm assuming brows because this girl did her brows first. And then she did concealer, which, by the way, concealer is Tarte. Tarte concealer. My brows are horrendous. I've never done my brows because I don't know how to do it. So I think it's time for me to learn. I need to shave my brows. I think this is gonna end up being really bad. I'll come back because this is gonna this is gonna take ages. Okay, hold on, wait.
Later.
I'm gonna use these gummy candies. I cleaned them, kinda. That great? I don't. No, definitely not. Too scared to do anything else, so I'm just gonna leave it. That's what we're gonna do. So, oh well. Moisturize my face. Oh wait, you know what? I have and I forgot about to help me get my hair out of my face. Yeah. And she does her brows. I don't know how to fill in brows. This side is the spoolie side. Brush him up. I don't know what I'm doing. Take him out. I know he's gonna cry more. Because when you take him out, what's he gonna do? Oh my god, like a beauty guru. Look. It looks gray. Oh, it's black now. Oh, this is from when I was testing everything. Brows. So how do you do brows? They make them dramatic, she said. Kiko, can you shut up, bro? Oh my god. Shut up!
No.
I'm so scared to do this. I hear people say do like... I messed up already. Hey! Shut up!
He's tantruming.
I'm not do brows. It's the worst thing to do for someone. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, Angry Bird. Bro, I'm so... What am I doing wrong? Am I gonna have to shave off my eyebrow? No. Absolutely not. I'm gonna follow my natural brow, but where is my natural brow? Ah! How do they do this every day? I don't understand. This is worse than eyeliner. What the hell? Okay. Oh my god. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's not working out, man. What if I just skip the freaking brows?
1 hour later.
So it's come to my attention that you're supposed to use this first, eyebrow gel. So I struggled. So I took off the whole thing. And now it's back to doing it. So it's 9:30. We'll see how long this takes. I'll be right back.
What?
I was thinking about editing. You can follow this and this, and I should do this with the box.
The only Paolo gonna take this and give you
a princess.
Finally did the brows. I don't care anymore. Time for concealer. She did a dot here. Did a dot here. On camera, it looks decent. In real life, it looks horrible. Oh my god, I gotta hurry up before this starts to dry. Are you kidding me? Alright, we're blending. I look insane. Okay. This looks horrible in real life, especially. You know what? I'm glad I'm doing this at night and not before we have to go somewhere. Are you kidding? Can you imagine that? I'm just gonna conceal like how I normally do. Finally, it's like 10 o'clock. Starts contouring her face. I don't have contour. We're not doing contour. You know what? Oh well. Bruh, I'm not prepared. It's the only palette I have, and I'm pretty sure it's expired. But the only reason I'm still using it is because of the glitter. Oh wait, actually no. Oh, crud. That's a lie. I have brown. Should I risk it? Should I risk it? No, I should not. I don't even know how to contour. You know, I'm just gonna do eyeshadow. Brown. I'm just gonna go in with brown. You know what's the worst part? You can barely see it because I have a freaking stupid monolid. But you know what? It is what it is. I might have to purposely put it up here. Also, I don't think the lashes I got were dramatic enough. I don't know. I think we'd go in with a darker shade. You think it's pretty? You can't see it as soon as it. But why do I even put effort on the tip of the nose? Ah, wow. Very good enough. This looks whack. And then inner corner. Okay, there you go. Brown lip liner. Oh, I look so ugly. I got the most non-flattering looking colors on me, I believe. This cute little heart lipstick, destroyed now. Watch. Oh. My lips are so dry. Oh, this looks horrible. I'm gonna curl my lashes real quick, actually. I look like a British person. I look like I would be British. I don't know how to put lashes on, which is another skill issue I have.
"2,000 years later."
I think I'm done. I look so ugly. I look British. I feel like it looks awful, but it looks not that bad, but it still looks awful. It's the eyebrows, huh? It's always the eyebrows. I can't. I thought I don't look like myself at all. And not in like in a bad way. Ugh. Please answer. I like the lip liner. Lip liner felt smooth when putting it on, huh? Please answer me. Man will answer. I mean, to be fair, it's almost 11 at night. I'm gonna wipe this all off now, unless he starts to call me back, but I doubt that. Goodbye, and good night.